What's up, everybody? It's the Omega Man here with another review for Dr. Squatch. This time it is the Harry Potter collection. Alright, so before we start, a little disclaimer. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, but I do not like Harry Potter at all. The reason I bought these is because I just wanted to try the scents, because some of them seemed really good. We'll see how this goes, because I know I don't like a lot of these collections. Usually I'll find maybe one that is good out of the whole bunch. Alright, so let's start with Lather of the Loyal. So this one is House Hufflepuff. So I don't really know a lot about the houses, because as I said, I do not really like Harry Potter. So this one, according to online, this is a medium grit soap. Cup plant, badger, yellow oats, and pumice are in this. So those are the ingredients. It's got the yellow packaging right there. Okay, let's open it up. So it says, be charmed by the sweet and luxurious lather inspired by the rich scent of pastries. So let's see, it's very yellow. It smells like, it smells like cookies. Or cake. Yeah, it's very, very Christmassy, holiday. Almost like a scented candle, like a Christmas scented candle. It's not bad. I like it. This is a good holiday scent. A little sticky to the touch. But I'm excited to try that out and see what we think. Next up, we got Slytherin Suds of the Sly. So this one is a 0 grit, no grit at all, which is weird. I thought Slytherin was supposed to be like the bad guys. I don't know. Again, I am not into Harry Potter. This one smells like snake grass, skullcap powder, and necklace pod. I don't know what any of that stuff is, but it says it smells like the Black Lake. I guess that's a Harry Potter reference as well. Let's see what we got. So, okay, you got the green coloring. These are breaking apart on me. Okay. Does it smell like grass? A little bit. To me, this smells like a better version of the Hulk, what the Hulk smells like. The Hulk was really bad. This smells like if they took that and made some changes to actually make it somewhat decent and tolerable, but it has that same feeling with the scent. I mean, I think Dr. Squatch just puts all the same ingredients in a pot and mixes them up in different ways anyways, so a lot of these ingredients are probably reused. But okay, it's not off-putting. It's not very strong at all. So next up, Ravenclaw. This is Grit of the Genius. So this is a light grit soap, blue passion flower, crown wood fern, and pumice. It smells like the top of the tower, it says. So let's open that up. Of course, it's going to be a blue bar right there. It almost looks like a turquoise-ish or a light blue. Okay. Okay, I don't think I like that. We keep coming back to this smelling like household cleaner products. Something I would clean my bathroom with. I don't think I'm going to like that at all. But you never know. It does smell different once it's all lathered up. Yeah, I don't know. At least it's mild. It's not very strong. Again, these they're giving me a lot of vibes of the Marvel collection, but just not as powerful. Which is a good thing, because I think a lot of those Marvel ones are too strong and just went way too off in the wrong direction. Alright, last one, Brick of the Brave. So this one is Gryffindor. Smells like a crackling fireplace. This is a heavy grit soap, swordgrass, Griffonian, lion's tooth. This is courageous and chivalrous. So this is supposed to be spicy and warm scent. So this is the one that I thought I would like the most. Partially the main reason why I purchased it. Also, the reason why I didn't get the whole collection with the collector's box and everything is because I am not a fan of Harry Potter, so I thought it was a waste. I would have probably just ended up selling it online. So I just got this because it was a couple of bucks cheaper. Okay, it's almost like a deep reddish brown, rust colored almost. This is a heavy grit. Whoa, I can smell it from there. The spice really hits you. So it does smell spicy and warm. It's very strong. Something about it that I'm not crazy about. There's a part to that scent that's just not, that I'm just not feeling. It's interesting. I think I still smell the first one on my hands, the lather of the loyal. I still smell that like a cookie on my hands. Can't get that off. But all right, so I'm gonna try these out, and then I'll tell you how I feel after I've used them all. All right, everybody, we're back, and I showered with each of these Harry Potter soaps, and I'm gonna let you know how I feel after I've actually used them. So let's start with Grit of the Genius, the Ravenclaw one. This is supposed to be a breezy, woodsy scent. Smelling this before I went into the shower, I was definitely hesitant. I did not want to use it. It just didn't smell like anything that I would like. After showering with it, I did not like it at all. I will never reuse this one. It was just as bad as I thought it was. The closest thing I could think that it smells like is Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know who's the main person in Ravenclaw. I don't even know. Leave it in the comments. But this smells really bad. I will never reuse this. In fact, I'm tossing that one. I'm never going to reuse that one. Next up, Suds of the Sly. This was the Slytherin one. So this one is supposed to be herbal notes of Black Lake. This is the one that I said smelled like the Hulk. I stand by that. It smells like the Hulk, but not as bad. Household cleaner, bathroom cleaner. Nothing that I would probably never reuse this one either. The only positive that I could say about this one is that it wasn't strong. The odor wasn't strong on my skin. So if you don't like the way it smells, it's not going to be terribly bad after the fact. But I don't see myself ever purchasing this or using this one again. Now I want to get into Lather of the Loyal. So this one is the Hufflepuff one. It smells like pastries, according to this. This is the one that I said smells like a holiday candle. I stand by that. It smells like a Christmas candle. And this is the one that I was surprised at the most because I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it. But actually it was quite nice in the shower. Something I would only use around this time of year, maybe closer to Christmas time. If you do like those kind of baked good scented candles, then I think you would like this one. It's just not something I would use all the time. And last but not least was Brick of the Brave, which is the Gryffindor one. This one is a warm and spicy scent inspired by smoky crackling fire. This is the one that I thought I would like the most, and it is the one that I liked the most. This one actually was pretty decent. It kind of reminded me of Count Sudula, but I think I like this one better because it's a little milder on the leathery scent that's in there. According to here, it does say heavy grit. in my experience, it was not heavy grit. This was more like a light to medium grit. The Hufflepuff seemed more gritty, and this is a medium grit. So this seemed more gritty than this. One thing I don't understand with Dr. Squatch is how they rate their grit. I think they're just going off of the characters that they think these relate to, but not the actual grit that's in the soap for some reason, because it seems like all over the place on the charts as far as the grit goes. Because when you have a soap like pine tar that's basically grating your skin off, and that's a heavy grit, I compare anything that they say heavy grit to that, and nothing is on that level. So I really don't think that they should put anything that they have as heavy grit other than pine tar. So anyway, there it goes. That's the Harry Potter collection. I knew I wasn't going to like all of these, but so out of all of them, I would say those two, Lather of the Loyal and BRICC of the Brave, are the two that I would reuse. Not sure how I am if I would repurchase any of these. Maybe BRICC of the Brave. Anyway, that's my opinion. If this was at all helpful, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see any of my future videos where I do any Dr. Squatch reviews, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.